Hello guys, my name is Leonard and this is my submission of Project Zero to the CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. Jumping into the requirements for this project, this site should have at least 3 pages: Google Search, Image Search, and Advanced Search. On the Google Search page there should be 2 links in the upper right corner, one for Image and Advanced Search, and both works perfectly, as well as a link in both Image and Advanced Search that should take us back to Google Search. Next, we have to be able to type a query on Google Search and be taken to Google Search result page. So let's try New Year Eve 2020. With all going on with COVID-19, so some people have some question how to celebrate it, right? And this is the result. So as you can see, this is the Google's original search results page. So let's hit back to our page. Same things apply for Google image search, but in this case you have to show us just images, pictures. Let's try aquascaping, which is one of my hobbies. And here are the results. So you can see just pictures of aquascaping. For advanced search, which is more specific, so let's try something random like celebrate with friends, family, together, and bad. Just an example, right? And clicking the advanced search should take us to the resource page on Google, and here it is: celebrate together with friends and family, bad. Then we have to match Google's own design as much we can. Like the fonts, the buttons beneath the search bar, the focus on the search bar, the position of every links. I know here is not exactly matching Google's design, but I think I did a pretty good job here, especially here. This one was a little bit hard for me, but I did it. So, and to finish, the unfilling login button should take us directly to the first page for the query you type by passing the list results page. So let's try dogs. I don't know why, but it shows this page first with this message, but as you can see, this is the first page that is supposed to be a result of the query, or it is a result of the query, but I don't know how to fix this, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. So that was all from me. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Happy coding!